If you're looking for eye-catching, modern stock photos to showcase your latest designs, then you definitely need to check out Placeit's clothing mockups. If you just released your new clothing line, you will want to showcase it to your potential clients and partners, and using mockups is a great solution. Placeit has tons of easy-to-use t-shirt mockups to display your designs in various scenarios and professional models. Besides, using these t-shirt templates is super easy. All you need to do is drop your image into the mockup, and Placeit will do all the magic to deliver an image with your design perfectly adjusted to the garment. Promote your t-shirt brand with videos too! Best of all, you don't need to use any extra software or download any kind of suspicious files to your computer. You do it now, you get it now. Check out the links down in the description box. And let me know in the comments what do you think about this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.